After selecting arcs for the slide title, then click Move Earlier, and then choose Slideshow from Beginning, and you can either spacebar or left click or arrow and go through all of your slides. When you get to the last slide, the blank slide, press Enter. And then Enter. On slide 4, right-click, choose Slide Layout. It is currently Title and Content, and we would like to select to Content. So it puts the text on one side, and then you have an option to add either more text, or what we're going to do is choose a video. So Insert Video, and we're selecting the Support PPT3. It's the one with a hand drawing, so if you can select that one. And then down on the Insert, choose Link to File. And on the video, you can actually click the play button. And then up in the top you have video format and playback. Select playback, and you want it to rewind after playing so it continuously plays. And then if you play it now, once it gets to the end, it'll keep playing. So we just chose rewind after playing, and if you go back to format, you can click play, and it runs through the video and then doesn't stop at the end. It goes back to the beginning if you wanted to play it again. The one I was thinking was the loop until stopped. That will keep playing over and over again until you either spacebar or click to the next slide, but they wanted rewind after playing. So then the next thing we'll do is on the status bar is before we finish that, go into the control, so back in where it has timeline. We're going to go to trim the video, and where we actually want to trim it is at the 6 marker. So what we'll do, so with the video playing, click Trim Video, and then move the marker to 6. Close enough. And then what you're going to do, make sure you are on video playback, and then click play, and you're going to bring the marker to roughly about 6, and then click Add Bookmark. Then click the slideshow button in the status bar, and then hover over the picture and click play. I have 2 bookmarks I'll have to get rid of. So when you click the slideshow button on the bottom of the status bar and you hover over the picture, you can actually play from the beginning, or you can click the bookmark and then play from that point. Then press Escape to go back to the document, choose Video Tools Format, and then in the styles, choose More, and we're going to choose Reflected Bevel Black. And that's in the Intense. And that's a save and submit.